Hi, I'm Susan Toft, CEO of The Laundry Lady. The Laundry Lady is a mobile laundry service offering washing and ironing, pickup and delivery. Our services are bookable online at laundrylady.com.au. Just type your suburb and you'll see the availability in your area. We're proud to now service Australia-wide. Our team of dedicated laundry ladies and lads are located near you and ready to take your booking. We service a broad range of the types of customers, including business customers from Airbnbs, beauty salons, medical centres, through to residential customers, including NDIS participants. To find out more about our services, pricing, or to book our services, head to our website and book online. We look forward to servicing you soon.